Welcome everyone again. We don't come. I will start by apologizing. Say you don't take what I post, no be the way I plan them, but life they happen. And yes, shout out to all the fathers with there out there. I don't test them. I don't see how the water be. Easy for almost a week. I don't even watch one episode of one series. But talk less about say you won't even do content creation. But that one will be issue. We go definitely find our way out around them. As we always talk, we dey talk say the show must go on. Yes, so welcome. Thanks for all the support. And yes, Moku start. The continuation of what we done dey do since we now web development proper, and we dey discuss each of the stages we don't talk about. For the initial one, we'll just talk everything, we'll just summarize and then we'll only take one. The previous one, we'll talk about domain, and I tell you, so we're going to discuss about hosting. So this is an introduction to Wetin goes happen for this particular video. Normally, the way it will be now, say this one will be a playlist also. So all the things we will go talk for hosting go day inside one so that it not go too long. If it like 30 minutes or more and people feel not too like to sit down, they just give attention for 30 minutes. So many things there, but if you don't day reduce small, it go day very easy. I know say I'm not too happy with the way things day because of the kind news that we hear where they talk say they don't scrap indigenous language as a means of teaching for school, but we no go stop. We go continue to dey teach because I dey see say many people they learn a lot from this small effort they do. And yes, by the way, I just make one app. The app will display. I just make one app where fit help you learn a lot about taxing and taxation with the 2026 tax reforms where they don't do. So you go do well to check them out. It will make a lot of sense. Now another big project where I will teach you now how to do. But more could take and small, more first they climb the thing small. So welcome, and we'll go into the whole thing proper. We will get playlist for here. We'll go this as a playlist. No playlist. We will get to do list. We'll go to check as we go on each of the topics we'll go to discuss on that hosting. And with that, class don't start. Get your bio and paper. We don't begin. What we start with. Make we start with the definition or the explanation of wetin be web hosting. So we talk say domain name na like the land or the address where you buy for the internet space bar. Now hosting na be like the building itself. Na be the building itself, the compound itself, okay? So for inside hosting now, you will get so many things where they happen for there. You go fit get website files, which is like say okay, maybe one section or maybe in a parlor or in a cupboard where you put so many things inside. If you get images, code, so many small things we fit inside. Now the whole concept of the hosting be that. If you want to look at professionally, they look and say in a server, it be like server. And if you know server now where a lot of what do they call them, files, computer files, feel they stored and people feel access them. Now the whole concept be that. So now just the simple way if you understand them, domain name or domain now actually the land, that address where they say okay now here if you build house, and hosting now be the proper building and everything. Okay. So more just understand that from there. Hard like that. It just deep. More not forget that one they always talk.